really planning on doing this today. There's a flipping thunderstorm in my heart. What? Oh, nothing. But I better wait for the thunderbolt to finish. Oh yeah! I think I might have got one. Yes, I did. I got that one.
Belter!
Haven't you got your camera out?
I want to go into, I think. It's coming back again. Got ourselves out, we'll all come in there. Back.
Oh, stop over. And then take.
Look at that. Missed that one. That's, I probably got it down.
No. That's growing. But at first it was all at front, now it's just all at back. It's a good job I got this. Ah, focus.
I didn't see my camera.
I think I just got that. I got the whole that, I think.
This is going to be loud.
Dad, this would have got the whole of it.
And I have. I didn't better turn my camera off then.
So glad you didn't just turn the off switch, because you would have missed that, and you'll be so annoyed. Do not. That was some good lightning, that was. That is a belter. This could be another one to that thing. It's going loud again.
You ready? It's going deep enough.
Wow. That is.
That was some lightning, that was.
No connection on earth.
Ooh!
Ooh.
That's to be rigging as well.
I think that's starting to build again. Wait for your phone.
That's a good one.
I didn't see that one. The camera's put out the window.
That's the warning of an alarm. Rain alarm.
Rain alarm, don't you mean? It does.
I get rid of my camera.
Hey, how can it know that's moving?
Was on there.
Oh, you missed it! I got it on my phone.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a good one. Tap. Got a lot of fun. Typical, innit?
If you just waited a few seconds more, you could have got that bit better. I just saw it all on my phone screen. I got the lot. I got both of them. I got both lightning things. Wow. Never seen anything like it. Ooh!
Saw that.
I didn't.
I've got that as well.
From 5 till 9 o'clock, we're now on severe weather alert.
I think I would have got that.
I've told Sarah
This phone
that
catches
they
everything.
Harvest storms are set to continue all night. He'll have to turn shut down there and all.
That was a good one.
So how long?
Till about 1 o'clock in the morning.
Goodness grief. I hope you all enjoyed today's thunderstorm video, and I have got a bit of an announcement to make before I leave, and that is I'll be doing I'll be vlogging every single day on my holiday. So stick around for it. And there will be a ghost hunting video in there, hopefully, because I want to go ghost hunting. And it'll be with my sister. And we'll be going ghost hunting one night. So stay tuned for that video. Please give that like button a good whammy. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want, you can turn on notifications. Notified every time I upload. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.